Designing a reconfigurable 3.5 GHz microstrip antenna using Varactor and pin diode techniques in Ansys HFSS. In this video, we start by modeling a microstrip patch antenna tuned for 3.5 GHz. We integrate Varactor and pin diodes to enable dynamic frequency reconfigurability. After setting up the substrate, patch dimensions, and diode placements, we apply the bias circuits for tuning. Then, we run simulations to analyze S11 return loss, gain, and observe the frequency shift as the diode bias changes. This type of reconfigurable antenna is ideal for modern wireless applications like 5G and IoT. Stay tuned, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more antenna design tutorials.